Hi guys, this is an idea to make a DIY home mask using a sanitary pad. Sanitary pad, some people might say that it's not good or they might feel shy putting it on their face, but it's one of the most hygienic product you can get out there. It's safe to use, it's clean and made in a sanitized environment, as well as it can provide you a better protection rather than making like your own mask, because it has so many layers of woven fabric or woven cotton, stuff like that. It's really easy. You can have two bands, even a rubber band based on the size of your face. It can be like small, medium, or large. Just open the pad and you can find this at every shop. So this is one of the most easiest thing to find in any of like the grocery stores, medical places, etc. Just open it up like this, remove the back of it, okay. Now remove this layer out, and what you need to do is, based on the comfort level of your face, take the band, do it like this, and then because this area has adhesive on it, you can just paste it together like this. Similarly, on the other side, you can take the band based on the comfort of your face and then just roll it like this, and this becomes one of like a good face mask. Open this up, and this can become as like an added layer based on, like, if you want to cover your face or chin area, you can just increase the length and then paste it on the back of the adhesive. Avoid touching your hands as much as possible in this area. This is just for a trial purpose, and here you have a DIY face mask.